Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus with a debit card, updated. Open your Exodus app, tap Wallet, select Buy, pick Bitcoin, choose Debit Card, and confirm identity verification. Ensure your card supports 3D Secure, check fees before confirming, and set a spending limit if desired. Hold your Bitcoin in Exodus's wallet and back up your 12-word phrase securely offline. If issues arise, contact Exodus support or your bank for debit card blocks. First, check your identity verification level and link a debit card that permits crypto purchases. Use smaller test purchases like 0 to confirm limits and bank approvals before larger buys. Be mindful of FX conversions when your card currency differs from the purchase currency, as fees apply. Enable two-factor authentication within Exodus, update the app, and keep your device secure to protect funds. Record limits like daily 5,000 caps, and check 25% chargeback rules with your bank if needed. Expect fees from 1% to 3% for debit card buys, depending on provider and network congestion. Confirm transaction ID, check Blockchain Explorers if Bitcoin doesn't appear, and wait for required confirmations. If a charge is pending, allow 24 to 72 hours for settlement before contacting support. Keep screenshots of errors, note exchange rates at purchase, and avoid public Wi-Fi during transactions. Remember to back up your 12-word phrase, as Exodus support can't recover lost seeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.